Interstitial pregnancy treated with intramuscular methotrexate. In a 28-year-old gravid 3 para 1 plus 1, the plus 1 was a surgically managed ectopic pregnancy. This term pregnancy was after the ectopic pregnancy. She had 2 doses of methotrexate. Cardiac activity was still present after the first dose, but absent after the second dose of methotrexate. Her menses resumed about 2 months after the commencement of methotrexate. This was the first video using a different machine. See the bladder, the vagina, the cervix. You can see the endometrial cavity here. You see a line here and a gestational sac with a fetal echo. So you see that endometrial cavity, the interstitial line sign here. You can see this hypoechoic area, probably some blood within this area. So not the fetal echo within the gestational sac. This was using a different machine. Bladder is not full here, but you can see the vaginal stripe, the cervix. Got the endometrial cavity going beyond the fundus of the uterus, about peristalsis. Then look at the interstitial pregnancy. Look at the thin rim of mammalian behind this gestational sac. Again, look at it, the thin rim of tissue here, the endometrial cavity, transverse section, the vagina, the cervix, uterine body, the interstitial pregnancy. The interstitial pregnancy, covers lithium, same size, with ring of fire in both. Gestational sac covers lithium. This is a transvaginal scan, not the engorged blood vessels. Look at part of the interstitial pregnancy coming up here. The right corner, left corner, and look at the interstitial pregnancy with a fetal knot, and look at the corpus luteum. These are dilated blood vessels. So 1 week after the first dose of methotrexate, cardiac activity still present. So because you don't have experience with medical management, the college decided to give her a second dose of methotrexate. After the second dose, what we have here is just an amorphous area. Look at this swelling of blood flow, and not the rim of mammalian surrounding the interstitial part of the tube. Look at this rim of mammalian. This is a 3D image using different post-processing methods. Here one can see the mammalian, the frontal contour, the endometrium, interstitial portion of this, right? And here is the interstitial ectopic. Same can be seen here. Note both the endometrial and fundal contour. This is using X-ray mode, endometrium. This is the ectopic. Note the thin rim of myometrium surrounding the interstitial ectopic. So, 3D image, interstitial pregnancy, endometrium. Same here. So this is a cine loop showing the interstitial pregnancy, and then so this was the initial ultrasound of bladder, vagina, cervix, endometrial cavity, interstitial line, and interstitial ectopic. Look at the empty endometrial cavity here, interstitial line, and the ectopic. This was 1 week after the first dose of methotrexate. Cardiac activity still present. But after the second dose of methotrexate, 1 week after the second dose, look at this amorphous area. 1 week before, this was what was seen, well-defined gestational sac, yolk sac, fetal knot, but here, all I can see is just amorphous material. So not the stem myometrium surrounding this gestational sac. So, note the pattern of the urine pregnancy test. Before commencement of intramuscular methotrexate, it was positive in 1 in 16,000, but negative in 1 in 20,000. After commencement of intramuscular methotrexate, it crashed to 130, positive, 135, negative. After the second dose, it crashed further to 1 in 20 and negative 125. By the 23rd of March, the urine pregnancy was negative. She saw her last menses on 30th of March 2024. Thank you very much for listening.